How to make gluten-free sesame cookies. If you don't want to take the time to make the gluten-free flour mix, then you can substitute gluten-free baking flour mix from a health food store or supermarket. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius while you line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Combine all of the ingredients for the gluten-free flour mix in a mixing bowl, using a whisk. Mix 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, the anise seeds, 10 tablespoons, 150 ml, of gluten-free flour mix, brown sugar and baking powder in another bowl, stirring with a whisk. Whisk together the egg white, olive oil, vanilla extract and salt in a separate bowl. Push the dry ingredients against the side of the bowl, creating a well in the center. Pour the wet ingredients into the well and mix them with a wooden spoon until they are well combined. The key is to incorporate the ingredients gradually. Shape and bake the cookies. If the dough is too sticky after you mix it, then place the dough into the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes before shaping it into logs. Scoop the dough from the bowl using a tablespoon. Shape the dough into logs using clean hands. The logs should be about 1-1/2, 4 cm, long and 3/4, 2 cm, thick. Spread the remaining 4 tablespoons, 59.1 ml, of sesame seeds onto a plate. Roll the logs in the sesame seeds and place the logs onto the baking sheet. Leave at least 1, 2-1/2 centimeters, of space around each log. Bake 1 sheet of cookies for 15 to 20 minutes, until the cookies are slightly golden and firm to the touch. Remove the cookies from the oven and cool them for 2 minutes on the stove top. Put the second baking sheet into the oven while the first sheet of cookies cool. Use a spatula to loosen the cookies from the parchment paper and transfer the cookies to wire racks to cool completely. Finished.